Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing for you guys a very simple, easy makeup look. I was actually wearing this the other day for an event that I went out to in the evening. Very quick, very fast, very easy to do. And I did this in about 20 minutes. So if you guys want to see how I got this blue, orangey, green makeup look, then you are in the right place. Just keep watching. guys, so here's the finished look. As you can see, really easy, really fast and simple to do. And as many products as I used, it doesn't feel heavy. I think this is such a great lightweight foundation. Now that we're going into spring, these lightweight types are perfect for this upcoming weather once it eventually reaches us here in Chicago. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you haven't already, be sure you're subscribed to my channel. That way you guys don't miss out on any future videos that I post. I usually post 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!